In order for an operator to use the UniPRINT system, a few basic settings need to be established. These settings need to be set each time a different web configuration is run. These include a job number for Pro versions of UniPRINT, gear number, repeat length, image orientation, left web edge, right web edge, and repeat start position. Select the Job Settings icon on the left edge of the user interface. The Job Setup panel will appear. Enter the information as it pertains to the setup of your web. Note that the job number is only relevant with the Pro version of the software. This allows you to save settings with a specific job number and then recall those settings the next time you run the same job. Enter the number of gear teeth per print repeat. If an encoder and reset sensor are used to synchronize the web, enter the length of the print repeat pattern in millimeters instead. Enter the length of the print pattern in millimeters. Leave it 0 to view the image as is, or press the button to rotate 180 degrees. This allows an upside-down image to be displayed right side up. Press to enable alignment of the camera to the left edge of the web under Inspection. Use the navigation arrow control buttons to position the camera appropriately. Operate as you did for the left edge button. Press Save and Exit to return to the main screen. You are now ready to run. If you are using the Pro version, the job parameters will be saved with the job number and will be able to be recalled the next time they are needed.